Sensibility and practicality define the 2015 Chrysler 300. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has less than 90,000 kilometers. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, variably intermittent wipers, automatic temperature control, and one-touch window functionality. Chrysler also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.